today I'm going to do a house tour in my house, and there's this carton. If we open it, ta-da! There's a rock climbing here. We have to go to the top, which I think I can do. See? Go to the top. I don't know, it's slippery. I can touch the ceiling when I can, but this time maybe not. So, over here, we have another rock climbing here, which I can also do. I'm going to take off my socks. It's slippery. Okay, so I start, so green and yellow is the easiest, so you only use the green and yellows. Usually, sometimes I use the red ones. And this, my dad made it, I think. Yeah, my dad made it. So, if you want that, you better ask your dad. Because this... Jump down here. Oh wait, I have a good idea. So over here, this. So I can get on here. From here. It's pretty scary. But this is a way to get on it. So we can stand and do like this. Or you can sit down like this. And these perfectly two pillars. I can hook my feet here and go back. And then, wait. And since this wall is pretty strong, we can kick it like this. So there's this swing. It's only one person, right? But you can do it two people. Like one person is on here. And another person can go here. It's too small for me, so it's like sticks onto the ground. And there's this trick I can do here. Whee! And also there's another way. You can hook your feet here. And hook your other foot here too. And you can get on like this too. But usually I just go from there, but next we have the swing. This too, my dad made it. So sometimes I get on like this, sideways. Or usually I go from here. And we go back. Or first I usually start on here. There's a big step here. I don't know why, but there's a big step here. And so I usually get on from here, and we go, whee! And I can do some tricks. Stand up, and look, I can do this. And I can do one foot. And I can go super high. So I have some tricks I can do. And also, there's another thing I can do here. Boing! Over here, our table. There's a cushion. And here we have a bar. So this is our mat from IKEA. Again. And you can get on from this step thing. Or you don't have to. Wait. Amelia Jane series. I forgot. What was this again? Franny K. Stein series here. And there's the Baby Sister series. And there's a Harry Potter series. I'm reading 4 now. And the Wash Wizard series. And Dork series. And there's this Fairy series. Clown series. And there's the Jones series. Junie B. Jones series. And those there, the workbooks and stuff. We also have here small books for kids, little kids. And here's the Golden Book series. And here we have the Science Book series. And this is the Dr. Seuss series. Over here there's this dictionary series. Not series, but just dictionary. And then over here there's this your body, like science stuff. And another dictionary. And then this is more like kid books. We have the carton here with the clip. So now I'm going upstairs. Over here, well, my desk, and what's this? It's kind of cluttered. I know. And we have the steps here. Here, where I was, with the rock climbing, I went under here. We have a light up here with the switch here. Turn on that light. Bye-bye. So here, you have this balcony. Oh, it's windy. So, we have this balcony here with the wood tiles. And here we do the book, Bilingual Hobby Kids book review. Book review and some reviews. Here there's these cute shades. Shade, is it for the shades? I don't know. But there's just like flowers and vines. And there's this trampoline. And this light, you have to pull this string here. Like a very rigid, but that string to turn it on and off. Yeah, it's a big leaf. It's really fun. And as you can see, this is themed outside. We call this the blue room because the walls are blue and the floor is blue too. And here, I've shaped like a tree here. And there's some naze quiz in Japanese books here. And there's a Lego here. Here. And the Sylvania family series. And these are the Lego Advent calendar. Ouch. And here, it's a car I made. Isn't it nice? You can fly these wings. And there's this sword for fighting. It's actually gold. And there can also be a car with its tires. I didn't look at anything and I did it. And there's this moving light. You can move sometimes. And here, it's the belt. You sit here and like, can you see? It's the things here on the car. And so this is one thing. These are from the set. I looked at it. And this girl, you can put set here. It's a Ferris wheel, and the thing you get on here, and it goes wee. And this is a bigger Lego, and here's fence. It's scary to go down. Here I think we did the review of this, and don't forget to watch the video, the review we did on this set. And also, you have to kind of go around. Here, we can put stuff here, but it can also be a step. We can get on here. Pretty strong, but it kind of goes, like, it kind of wobbles, so be careful. Here, there's some bank stuff I made. Look at this. These are 2 banks I made. Both are very, very, very pretty. Here, another Lego robot I made. I named it Froggy, but he looks like a frog. Yeah, you can slide and you can like rabbit feet. It's green here, and the eyes and mouth. I also have this big, gigantic bell. Big as Froggy. Oh, I have a pencil here. I have these cute little pads. Like we can cut it and use it. And these It's very, very cute. It's about like penguin and hedgehog on a journey. And here is Noah's pet Pokalogi. It's not real, of course. Over here, my Barbie thing. And I can inside. So here, this is my pencil case. Here's more Lego houses. This my dad made. I made. And this is supposed to be a police station, but it became a like museum. And here's my Barbie doll house, which there's a cat inside there. This is my cat. And this is Noah's cat over here. Noah says don't touch it, but it's mine. So I will not dare touch it. This is Noah's craft. What? Oh, this is my craft box. I made some stuff. Cool stuff. And here, these robots. I also made. Hi, I'm Mia Robot. And there's also these little cabinets. These boxes here I made inside so that you can put some stuff in it. It's really cool. Put it here. And so I'm bringing this cat with me. This is my box of treasures. This is the candy I made. And so I'll go down here. Oh, and also this tree house. We can stand up and it doesn't, I don't bump my head yet. That's soon I might do. And here, it's connected here. So this thing, you can slightly move it like this. Make a shade here. But I'm scared that this whole thing might fall because it's not like with screws, it's just with Velcro. So the place where I really like is this blue room. I just showed you these because why? Number one, because there's a nice trampoline. Why two? Within the balcony. Why three? Because it's this shape that's outside, like a big leaf, tree house, and stuff like this. Four, here too, it's really cute. And five, I can shoot videos with a bilingual Hobby Kids video. Yay! So, this is gonna be the end of the video. So don't forget to watch the other videos that I explained here, for example, book reviews or